When you go to a training or a workshop, what is it that you want to walk away with? Is it more knowledge, more inspiration, more tips, more tools, more connections, more community? What is it for you? And that's something I ask myself, or all of those things are what I ask myself when I look into a training or a workshop. What am I hoping to get out of it, and what is the experience that I would like to have? Now, when I'm teaching a training or a workshop, I also ask myself, what is it that I want you to get out of this? How do I want to present myself? What is the experience I would like to give? And how do I want you to feel when you walk away? I can't speak for other trainings, but what I can say about any Barre Variations teacher training or workshop is that I want you to walk away feeling empowered in the way that you already teach, knowing that you are already exactly where you need to be in your expertise, walking away with the confidence of having gained more knowledge, more tips, more tools, and also walking away with inspiration to further your teaching practice, to infuse that into your students' work with you, and to get that fire burning again. So it is not my job, in my eyes, to create mini-me's. It doesn't matter if you teach exactly like me, walking away from a training or a workshop. What matters to me is how you feel about your teaching. And did I give you the tools in order to get you to teach exactly how you want to teach, in the way you want to teach? And I want you to walk away with the tools that you can pull out from your back pocket to feel endlessly inspired and creative and engaged, and let your personality shine through. So yes, you'll walk away learning how to teach, how to cue, how to use music, how to implement the creativity tools and choreography tools, and be able to create your own barre class, have a better eye for basic anatomy and learning how the body moves and the proper biomechanics. Yes, you will walk away with those things, but most of all, you will be able to walk away with all of those things and how to implement them in the classes you already teach or the classes that you will be teaching in the way that you want to teach them. Hope to see you at the next training or workshop.